A Pace woman mistakenly declared dead by the federal government. Her family says the Social Security Administration is calling it a clerical error. Now she's trying to get her life back.
The most pressing issue, getting her health care coverage restored. Now, the family didn't discover the error until the woman was diagnosed with cancer and found her coverage was cut off. The family called WEAR for help. Our Brent Carney took Patsy Rozier's story to someone who could cut through the red tape.
Sitting in Katina Laksumana's home, you'll quickly find that her mother, Patty Rozier, is very much alive. She did not wish to be on camera, but said the Social Security Administration declared her dead in May.
It all started in May when we lost my father, and I had moved both of my parents in to take care of him.
The family tried accessing Patty's survivor benefits after the passing.
She would see it pending in her bank account, and then before it would post, it would be sent back to the U.S. government, and we have been in constant conversation and come to find out when my father was declared deceased, so was she. So she was not therefore eligible to get any benefits.
Katina noticed an influx of medical bills addressed to her mother, but didn't know why, until she went to see her mother's doctor.
We went to go to the doctor's appointment and they told us that she was no longer covered. And come to find out, her Social Security benefits have been terminated, as well as her Medicare and her supplemental insurance.
Katina says her mother was diagnosed with an aggressive form of pancreatic cancer in September and desperately needs to begin chemotherapy. But they will have to pay out of pocket until the government's clerical error is resolved.
This was a sense of urgency for us, and knowing what she's got facing medically. And we headed down to the Social Security Administration office and was told that we wasted our trip, that there was nothing that they could do. They were, as far as her benefits concerned, and that basically due to the government shutdown, their hands were tied.
I took this story to Congressman Jimmy Petronis. He said the issue may take time to address due to the government shutdown.
Is it getting dealt with right now? Probably not, because there's a lot of work being handled by just a skeleton crew. But, you know, this is what we do. We pick up the phone, we call, we advocate, we break things loose. So this is the first I've heard of it, but I'd love to go engage on her behalf.
Shortly after our conversation, Katina told me that Congressman Petronis' office gave her a call. While she's thankful her mother's situation is being addressed, she says the nation's healthcare system needs work.
The lack of empathy from people who are really there to serve the people. And I feel like I'm a healthcare provider, a nurse practitioner, and I see patients like this every day with their healthcare that aren't getting the coverage. And I just feel like as a society and as the greatest country in the world that we got to do better.
In Pensacola, Brent Carney, WEAR News.